Hi you guys, welcome back to our channel, Darren and Sherla. Today we're at the One Hotel Seattle. Today we just checked into the One Hotel Seattle. They opened on Tuesday and today is Saturday, so we're one of the first guests to even stay here. I'm so excited to show you guys around. We're staying in the Junior Suite Terrace. Let's start off in the bathroom. There's a pocket door for the bathroom, so you can have some privacy from the rest of the room. Let's go in, you guys. You know I love a separate tub shower combination, and I love that this tub has windows because we're in a corner suite, so we can look out. We have a nice shower as well, and I'm so obsessed with having like a handheld shower head. It makes like vacation so much better on top of a rainflower shower head. So the One Hotel has its own branded shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, which is so cool. And they have a little timer there, which is very interesting. I'm gonna ask the front desk, what is that for? Is that like how long you brush your teeth, how long you leave the shampoo or conditioner in your head? We have the toilet over here, and then we have this beautiful mirror sink action. So here's a mirror without any lighting on, and then I can turn the mirror on. This is gonna be perfect for when I'm like fixing my hair and doing my makeup. I literally have been up since 3:45 a.m., hence why I look like this. But when I get ready for dinner tonight, this mirror with the light is definitely gonna come in handy. We also have more One Hotel branding. You know what? Let's see how it smells. I'm curious. Oh my gosh. It literally smells like a spa. Oh, I'm excited to use these. They have towels down here, and then they have this basket. You guys, these slippers are such great quality, and they have like the anti-slip on there. I literally am about to put these on. They gave us some more toilet paper and a hair dryer in here. This is such a cute little basket. Put it back down here. Also have a robe, which is really nice. Can't go wrong with the robe. Oh my gosh, you guys, I want to show you one more thing with the bath. They actually have another one of these little tools. I don't think I've ever seen one look so chic. Oh, this is amazing. I'm literally gonna take a bath tonight, and I'm gonna see if they have any bath bombs or any bath salts that they can bring up to the room, and I'll show you if they do. So coming out of the bathroom, we have a closet over here. I love that they included a foam roller and a yoga mat. I literally foam rolled as soon as we came into the room. It's Seattle, so you literally have to have an umbrella. They have drawers as well. I plan to unpack everything. And on this side, you can hang your things. So they have another row, they have more hangers, they have an iron, which we desperately need, and they have this little thing. I love when hotel rooms include this little thing. So what it's for, in case you don't know, I didn't know, Darren taught me. You put your luggage on top of this. So you don't have to have your luggage on the floor or on the couch. You simply open up your luggage and put it on here. It works perfectly. One more thing, I'm not sure if you guys know, but One Hotel is dog friendly. So Honey gets to stay for free, or any dog that you have that's not a service animal can actually stay in the One Hotel for free. They're super dog friendly. So I'm so happy to have Honey here. Moving more into the room, here's the door, and we have this lovely couch area. I was honestly a little surprised by how big this couch is. I feel like a good 4 or 5 people can fit on this couch. And I love that the vibe of this hotel, you can see it all throughout. So it's like sustainability, spa, relaxation, and you definitely feel that in the room with the design choices as well. We have our TV, we have a fully stocked mini bar. This is probably one of the best mini bars I've seen. Everything looks really good. Some of these brands that they have are actually my favorite brands. And in every single room, they have an espresso. So I'm excited to try an espresso. Maybe I might want to buy one. This flavor is Intensio. So we'll see how much I like it. There's some glass if you want to have wine. We have an extra drawer right here. And then we have more drinks that you can buy. I believe the water may be free. I'll have to look on the TV, but I'll definitely let you know in the comment. So going along with like this whole sustainability, they have this. It says one less thing. So what it is if you have any extra clothes that you don't want to take home, that you just leave them and you put this on top of it and they'll donate it to like a family or someone in need. And I think that that is really, really nice. Okay, moving along to one of my favorite parts of the whole room. It's the bed, you guys. It looks so comfy. Oh my gosh. You know we don't get into bed with our outside clothes on, but I'm so excited to try it out. Honey, you want to try it out? Come on, honey. Come on, honey. It's comfy, honey? You like it, honey pop? I think honey loves the bed. But it looks really nice. I love that on this bed, everything is electric. You have the bed lights, you have the room lights. So like, let's say you're in the bed and you want to turn the light off for the room. All you simply have to press is that button and look at that. All the lights start going out. That is so cool. That is a really nice touch that a lot of hotels do not have. Wow, I love that. Let's see if they have it on both sides. If they have it on both sides, they were really doing something. They have it on both sides. I'm so used to them only putting things on one side. That's amazing. Now to my favorite part of the room is the terrace. Most of the time in high rises, whenever we're staying at them, we don't have terraces whenever we're in downtown. So I'm so excited for this one. Let's check it out. I'm so excited to share One Hotel Seattle with you. I'm hoping to get tours of different rooms that they offer, just so you know exactly what you're getting when you choose a room. I feel like whenever I was picking what room for us to stay in, it was really hard because there's like no videos, no photos, no anything out right now. So I'm gonna try my best to do that. But comment down below if you plan to stay at One Hotel Seattle. Remember to always do more of what makes you happy.